Every time I go around a corner, I think I've seen the best view I can possibly see. But they just keep coming and coming. Good morning. It is sunrise in Moab, Utah. We are getting ready to go check out the Slickrock Trail, which is one of the world's most famous mountain biking trails. One of my favorite trails in the whole world. Descend down this trail and show you a little bit of what it's all about. The climbs here, if you're going up, there's nowhere to bail off left or right. If you don't make it, we're gonna go sliding back down. Almost went down that cliff.